Hey, what's up people, this is Shelly and welcome back to another video. So first of all, happy new year 2024 to all of my lovely dearest friend. I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to talk about the power of vitamin C. And I know everyone knows that vitamin C acts as a brighten up our skin. So here are the two recipes, yeah, two DIY that make our skin looking youthful, beautiful, right? So, any further delay, let's get started. Here are the first recipe is vitamin C toner. So, দেখে নাও এই রেসিপিটা কি করে বানানো হয়। Take 1 cup of rose water or half cup of rose water, half teaspoon of lemon juice, half teaspoon of honey and half teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Mix all the ingredients together in a clean spray bottle and shake well before use. Store in a refrigerator for a week. So I am using this toner regularly for the first few weeks now, and it is incredible difference in my skin tone. Rose water moisturizes the skin and reduces redness, soothes irritation, help to tone the skin naturally, moisturize, hydrating and cooling the face. As all we know, lemon juice is a natural source of vitamin C. It can help brighten the skin and reduce the dark spots and also hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, sagging skin, dullness. And the next is honey. As well as all know, honey keeps your skin hydrated and helps irritated skin and moisturize the skin also. তোমরা সবাই দেখলে কি করে ভিটামিন সি টোনারটা বানানো হয় আর এটা তোমরা ইউজ করো। আমি তো খুব ভালো রেজাল্ট পেয়েছি, তোমরা দেখতেই পাচ্ছ। As you can see, my next recipe is vitamin C serum. Take half teaspoon of aloe vera gel, half teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 vitamin E capsules, and some pinch of 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix all the ingredients together properly and see the consistency, and here are the result. Regularly using vitamin C serum is maintain youthful skin. Everyone using vitamin C serum and it is treating specially for hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, sagging skin, dullness, redness, uneven skin tone, and it is very cheap to make. Aloe vera helps to moisturize the skin and prevent flaking, sunburn, and reduces redness and soothes irritation. And the second one is turmeric. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property, also antibacterial properties. It can help brighten the skin and improve the skin texture. I hope this has helped you a lot. যদি এই ভিডিওটা থেকে তোমাদের কোনো রকম কিছু ভালো হয়, ইউজ করো, ডেফিনেটলি এটা অনেক বেনিফিশিয়াল। তো যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে দেন আমার ভিডিও লাইক করো, শেয়ার করো, সাবস্ক্রাইব করো, ফ্যামিলি বন্ধু সবার সাথে সঙ্গে থাকো। দেখা হচ্ছে আবার নতুন কোনো এক ভিডিওতে। ততক্ষণের জন্য টাটা, বাই।